down?
Same.
What?
Nothing?
You won't be back down now?
Maybe.
Oh my god, I love these ones. I love these ones that make sound.
All of them make sounds.
No, I'm talking about the one that... It sounds like a hog. It sounds like a... See, it sounds like a grenade.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, I love that one. I like how they shoot. It sounds like a gunshot. Like, dude, the last time I've been to one of these, the thing caught on fire. Like the whole entire thing caught on fire. And I was like, is this a part of the show?
Yeah. Maybe.
I was like, no, because all we hear the fire go, and all of a sudden you see a giant freaking explosion.
Yeah.
We're like,
After they do the
like,
fight, no, after they
all
do
you
the...
see is fires,
Yeah.
ambulance, cops go running
See?
down over fast and all that, and like,
See?
it just blew up. All the fireworks blew up, and all that people, like, two people got injured.
Yeah, after the last...
Terrible.
See, look.
Like, it was out there.
No,
It was,
no,
like,
why?
was
I thought it was
famous, though,
the...
like,
Why?
like, everything was...
It was the last shot. Why? It was the last shot.
Yeah, the very last shot of this
Yeah.
with the back.
I don't know why.
Bang.